Hi everyone. As we know, hair issues can be a common concern for many people. So it's essential to take good care of our hair by incorporating nourishing ingredients like oils and herbs into our hair care routine. So today we'll learn how to make rosemary water for hair growth. Rosemary water is often recommended for promoting hair growth due to its potential to stimulate circulation to the scalp and its antioxidant properties which may help protect hair follicle. Here is a simple step-by-step process for making rosemary water. You will need fresh or dried rosemary leaves and water. If you're using fresh rosemary leaves, rinse it thoroughly under cold water to remove any dirt. Here I am using dried rosemary leaves. Add 2 tablespoons of rosemary leaves to water. Reduce the heat to low and let the rosemary shimmer in the water for about 20 to 30 minutes until the color of water changes to dark pink, purple, or brown. This allows the rosemary to infuse its property into the water properly. As you can see, it has turned dark pink purplish color. Now our rosemary water is almost ready. Let it simmer for more 10 minutes and then turn off the heat and let the rosemary water cool down to room temperature. After the rosemary water has cooled down, let it sit for 1 more hour with rosemary leaves in it, which allows the rosemary to infuse its property better. Use a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth to strain out the rosemary leaves, separating the infused water from the solid plant material. Pour the strained rosemary water into a clean container such as a glass bottle or jar for storage. Store the rosemary water in the refrigerator for up to a week to maintain its freshness. As rosemary water has less shelf life, so make it in less quantity that you can finish it in a week. Use the rosemary water as a scalp spray. Spray it daily twice for better results. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.